done sped up. And this thing here done blew up. God damn. Scared the shit out. I ain't know what the hell to record. The Yoshi flying or this motor dying. I don't know which one. Y'all want to walk down here? I bet it won't crank. Nah, I don't want to bet. I hope it crank. Ooh. He ain't crunk it though. Oh shit. Damn, I'm in the damn way. Look out, look out. I'm always in the damn way. He know he could have made a left. Goddamn, they just want to say I'm in the way. Fucking lookouts in the fucking way, man.
Hey, we gotta get that security guard on you.
Hey, all that, yeah.
I seen that video. You said, hey man, get them. No.
Yeah, hell yeah, get them, not me. Oh, it cranked back up, y'all. It cranked back up. It's all right. They just wanted to drive down here and say I was in the way. Fucking lookout was in the fucking way. I couldn't get down there fast enough. Fuck, lookout. Get the fuck out of the way, guy. Now you gotta move your body. First it was move your car, now it's your fucking body, man. Move your body, man. Look out, look out. Hey, y'all. Move your body, man. Look out, look out. Look out. He's freaking in the way, man. I be forgetting that he one of them people. Y'all know that they really don't like you, but they just putting up with you. Well, I be forgetting he don't like me that much. He the one who used to have the key to the gate and then didn't want to let me in the gate. And then he'll see me squeeze through the gate like we did earlier and be trying to tighten the gate up way tight. I was still getting in on his ass. He ain't like me for that. I used to say, who got the keys to the gate? I don't know. Motherfucker, I know you got the keys to the gate. Then I'll be live and show him that he got the keys to the gate later on. He always do that. But he be cool. He don't be making that much scene. I told it on his ass. Hey man, get somebody else them keys. They gave it to somebody else. I'm glad they took the keys away from him. But he would have been he was trying to, boy. Yeah. You like that? Yeah, look at him, y'all. He like that. Yeah, man, got my boy.
You don't like this because you like to move around.
Yeah, I be moving around too much. Here goes some little cars, y'all. Y'all better start sharing and liking. Look. Damn, what he filming? A porno? Ah! Yeah.
They don't even know it yet.
Yeah. Going on this one. All my people that's watching on TikTok. Got a couple droplets. Let me see what that is. It might be all. Yeah, hang on. He got it. Yeah, he good. We let people go down the track with them little droplets. It's all. It's good. Yeah, as long as they ain't leaking a whole bunch, we're gonna let you go on down the track. Oh, damn, they done cut the red light on. Nah, turn them out. He good. thought he was gonna be more safer and a little bit more scarier in the turbo car. That motherfucker still dangerous, y'all. He seen that thing, glass in the tires, and he stayed in it with a turbo at Yello Belly. For all the odds against him. Ooh, that man, huh? Let me get my exhaust done by him. God damn. That's my muffler man, y'all. That's the muffler man. The muffler king. We got Perico. They just put a new motor in it. We got Chris Brown on TikTok, y'all. What's up, Chris Brown?
Hey, you got that oil?
Yeah, I seen it. It's just a couple drip drops.
Yeah, it ain't nothing major.
Oh, man. Oh, he finna switch lanes. Somebody said, yeah, man, muffler man was leaking oil on the left lane, man. Get in the right side. That's how that happened. All right, guys, we got the King Autumn. Perico, a.k.a. Little Bird in English. Other side. Other side. Other side, man. Other side. Perico. Oh, Perico is Coke in Puerto Rican Spanish. Yeah, I got my people over here on TikTok. They corrected me too. They talking about it's a little hit.